EnRoute is now geared up to support machining on the side of the plate using aggregates and side milling motors. In the plate creation menu, choose the multiface type job to get started. Additional views have been added for users to design on all sides of the material. The quad view is now configurable to display the desired views to make designing and positioning as easy as possible. Most tools that users have become accustomed to using on the top view are now also available on the sides. Users can also design on the top face and then move or copy it to another one. The geometries and designs will be rotated accordingly. It is also possible to simply switch the plane without moving or rotating the parts, as would be required in our next example. We will set the plate thickness to 55 millimeters, the exact thickness of the door in this example. We will make a copy of the outline of the door so that we can use that to create the plate from. Since the geometries are imported into the top face, we will be switching the planes of the ones that are to be milled on the sides. When all geometries have been dispersed to their respective sides, we can start applying the toolpaths. For demonstration purposes, we will use the same tool on all sides and apply it with pocketing strategies. To pre-drill the screw holes for the lock mechanism, we will use the drill center strategy, and these will be cut with the horizontal drills of this machine. To generate the output, click G1. Because we are running a multi-face job, this will bring up the Aggregate Setup menu. We already have everything set up, but if any changes are required, you can directly jump into the Aggregate library. For this machine, we will be cutting the left and right side using an aggregate. The front and the back will be machined using the side milling motors. We are using a 90-degree dual aggregate where the direction of the tools is 0 and 180 degrees. The direction in which they will operate will be the positive and negative x-axis. The aggregate clearance lets us know how much of the aggregate's body extends out underneath the rotational axis. In the output, this will be added on top of the safety lift when moving between planes. When the offsets are left at 0, the coordinates that EnRoute outputs will be those of the toolpath itself. This will work great for the machine that we are currently outputting to, because the offsets are accounted for by the device. Should this not be the case, we would have to enter the offsets here before generating the output. Side milling motors are to be set up as single aggregates for this particular device, but this could differ based on how the user's post-processor has been configured. Once the side milling setup is ready, we will have to make sure that all tools are in the right location before generating output. When all tool locations have been confirmed, it's just a matter of generating your output file.